The sun, a brilliant fiery ball of nuclear fusion burning at millions of degrees. It's been shining for billions of years and it will continue to burn for billions more. But beyond its role in giving us daylight and warmth, the sun could hold the key to our future in space. Welcome back to TerraNova. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking concept using solar energy in space to power deep space missions and even future colonies beyond Earth. Imagine a future where spacecraft, space stations, and even distant outposts on the Moon and Mars are powered entirely by the sun. But how exactly can we harness this limitless source of energy beyond our planet? When we think about solar power, we usually imagine the solar panels on rooftops or fields here on Earth. But did you know that solar energy is much more efficient in space? Here on Earth, our atmosphere absorbs and scatters some of the sun's light, reducing the amount of solar energy that reaches us. In space, however, there's no atmosphere to get in the way, meaning spacecraft can capture nearly all of the sun's energy directly. This abundance of pure, uninterrupted sunlight makes solar power an incredibly attractive option for space missions. For decades, space agencies like NASA and ESA have used solar panels to power satellites and the International Space Station. But now, with renewed interest in deep space exploration and colonization, we're beginning to see even bigger possibilities. So why is solar power becoming such a critical focus for deep space missions? The answer lies in its sustainability. Unlike fossil fuels, which are heavy and finite, solar power is lightweight and practically limitless. For missions that could last months or even years, like sending humans to Mars, solar energy provides a continuous, renewable power source. Take NASA's Juno spacecraft, for example. It's currently orbiting Jupiter, powered entirely by solar panels, despite being over 500 million miles away from the sun. The technology has advanced so much that even in the outer reaches of our solar system, solar power is a viable option. But it doesn't stop there. Scientists and engineers are now exploring the idea of building giant solar power stations in orbit. These stations would collect solar energy and beam it back to Earth using microwaves or lasers. Imagine a future where our planet's energy needs are met by massive solar farms floating in space, harvesting sunlight 24/7. This could be a game changer, not just for space missions, but for our energy needs here on Earth. By capturing solar power directly from space, we could reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and move towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. But how would it work? The concept involves using large arrays of solar panels positioned in geostationary orbit. These panels would convert sunlight into electricity, which could then be transmitted to receiving stations on Earth. It's an ambitious idea, but with the growing urgency to combat climate change, it's one that's being seriously considered by space agencies and private companies alike. Of course, turning this dream into reality won't be easy. There are still significant challenges to overcome. For one, transporting the materials to build these solar power stations into space would be costly. Plus, we need to develop technology to transmit energy over vast distances without losing efficiency. And let's not forget the harsh conditions of space. Radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeoroids could all damage solar panels over time. But as technology advances, we're getting closer to making space-based solar power a reality. So what does the future hold for solar power in space? As we plan for human missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, harnessing the sun's energy will be crucial. Solar-powered rovers, habitats, and life support systems could be the key to establishing sustainable colonies far from Earth. And if we ever hope to become a multi-planetary species, solar energy might just be our ticket to the stars. But now we want to hear from you. Do you think solar power is the best energy solution for deep space missions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes on space exploration and the future of humanity. Thanks for watching TerraNova, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.